Hello everyone, this is Ryan. Today we're going to show you how to quickly get started with golftimer so you can save yourself loads of time and start making more money now. After using golftimer, professionals tell us that they have zero no-shows and spend zero time confirming appointments. And they typically earn more money because they are easily able to offer group lessons and optimize their instructional business. But most importantly, our professionals tell us that they have more satisfied customers. So golftimer can do a lot of things for your business, but today we're going to talk primarily about the scheduling portion of golftimer that features two views. One view for your students or for your customers, and then one view exclusively for you, the professional. Both views work across all smartphone and tablet devices, so you can use golftimer on your smartphone and your customers can too. So the great thing about golftimer is really that it enables your customers to book lessons with you on their smartphone whenever and wherever they want, and this is really a step change and helps your business thrive and deliver more satisfied customers to your business. So let's just get started with golftimer. So after signing up for a test account here on the golftimer website, you just head over to your email and you'll get very quickly an email from us with your login and your password. So just take that login and password and go over to golftimer.com. We've got a login button at the top and a place where you add your password. Just add that to password and you'll see our professional view. This is really where you control your online calendar and manage your business there for your online booking. So here's where first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the first step of the Starter Center. Step number one is to set up the system to fit your needs. So golftimer was developed exclusively for you as a golf professional. So if you go into options, you can see several different options across golftimer. We've been really customizing golftimer for over 6 years to help the international golf community. So you've got a whole bunch of customizable options, and you're really going to be able to make your business thrive here. So we've got a few important options that are here in red, and we're going to go through those first. Let's look at the most important ones. Let's look at the top 4. So at the top left, you've got something called calendar settings. We're going to click on calendar settings. At the left, you can see the calendar settings. You just click on these to set up your calendar and also your customer's calendar as well. Now we go back into options and look at block dates. We know that you've got to eat lunch, handle personal matters, and set up a way to block personal dates in your calendar. So in the middle, you can block out weekdays, for example, and on the right, you can block out single time slots. So in this case, we're going to block out a time slot for you for lunch so that you get a little bit of a break during your day. Okay, so let's go back to options and have a look at the price information setup. Now in this space, you can actually leave this blank if you want to, but if you want to add some price information to your communication to customers, you can do that as well. In this case, we're charging $90 per hour. Okay, let's go back to options and we'll look at the communication with your customer. The great thing about golftimer here is we've got the ability to send mobile text message reminders 1 day in advance of your lesson, so you can just click on that bucket right there and ensure that golftimer is set up to send SMS and text reminders, which is great. Okay, great job. Your first step is done in just a minute or so. So let's go back to the Starter Center, and there's a couple of key steps we want you to consider as you get started. Now, in order to avoid double bookings or confusion, we do recommend that you move your current appointments that may be sitting in your paper-based book tool into golftimer. But don't worry, it's pretty easy. It just takes a few clicks over the last-minute booking function. So we're just gonna say, for example, your paper book says you've got a 9:30 to 10:30 appointment. We're just going to add that super quickly under other bookings. Click the last minute booking and then you're done. Okay, great. Now the last step is to publish golftimer to your website so that your customers can book your lessons online. But this is really easy. Just go to options again, click on open customer view at the bottom, and now here's what you'll see, what your customer will see when they log into golftimer or when they go to your website. And this customer view can easily be integrated into your existing website. So just give the information there at the top of the screen to your website agency and they'll be able to integrate it. Also, don't worry if your website agency needs help. You can just contact us, and we'll work with your web agency as well. Okay, so last point here, if you don't have your own website, you can use golftimer's website creator tool and build your own website literally in under 1 hour. Just check golftimer.com for details. And finally, if you have any customer data that you want to import into golftimer, just contact us and we'll help you import that data into the system. That's all for now. Thanks for listening. Bye.